Manus is deleting some accounts on Saturday at 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern, not everyone. In the next few minutes, I'll give you the 3 questions you need to answer to check to see if you are affected so that you don't back up for no reason. First, you need to know what kind of account you have. Is it A, B, or C? And the 2 questions that will tell you that are, number 1, did you create this account on or after December 29th, 2025? If yes, then you're type C. Stop right there. Question number 2, did you change your email or login information at any time since December 29th, 2025? Even once? If yes, stop there. You're type C. If you answered no to both questions, then move on to question 3. Did your paid plan start on or after November 29th of 2025? If yes, then you are a type B. If no, or you never had a paid plan, you are type A. One small detail from Manus: renewing or updating a plan does not count as starting a new plan. Only a brand new plan counts, and the December 29th cutoff means midnight Pacific time. So let's take a look at type A. Type A means your account was made before December 29th. Your email and login did not change after that date. You either never had a paid plan or your paid plan started before December 29th. Your account survives, your login survives, your plan stays, but your tasks from December 29th forward may be deleted. Type B looks almost the same. The account was made before December 29th and your email and login did not change. The difference is your paid plan started on or after December 29th. So your account and your login stay, but your tasks may be deleted. So you have the same backup job as type A, data backup. Now let's move on to type C, and it's a little bit different. If your account was made on or after December 29th, or you changed your email or login information after December 29th, Manus treats that entire account as new data. So that means type C needs 2 backups, and the order makes a big difference. First, you have to back up your account data. This is the small file that brings the account back to life. Then you do the data backup, and that's the one that holds your work. So for type C, account first, data second. Please do not flip that order. It should be indicated on your backup page. So Manus handles this account by account and not person by person. So you may have a personal account, a team account, and a test account that you may have forgotten about. Each one needs its own check. Each one needs its own backup, and each one needs its own line in your backup log. So don't check one account and assume that all the others will follow suit. Open each one and read the notice from Manus. So for team owners, I need you to listen up for a minute. If you own a Manus team, you're holding other people's work too, and only the team owner can back up team data. Your personal account and your team are separate. If you have both, you're going to need separate backups. And Manus says the team follows the owner's type. So if the owner is a type C, the whole team is a type C. If the owner is type A, the entire team is type A. So team owners, don't wait until the deadline. Don't wait until Saturday night. Make sure you're doing this early. Now that you know what type of account you have and what you need to do, video number 2, the next video, is where we actually do the backup. I'm going to show you where to click, where to send the files, how to count your packages, and what you must not do to those files after they arrive. To help you with this process, I've created the Manus Transition Toolkit, and the link is below. It's a free resource that you should keep next to your computer all the way through Monday, which is when the restore window opens. It has the type check, the deadline list, the click-by-click steps, and the backup log so you can stay organized while we make this transition. And if you don't want to figure this out by yourself, I'm hosting a live Manus download party this Saturday, August 22nd from 12 to 2 p.m. Eastern. We're going to get on Zoom and do the backups together. Bring your account, bring your questions, bring the weird little problem you think only you have, and the goal is simple. By the time we leave that room, your backup will be done and the registration link for that is below this video. Then you can come back on Monday night for the Manus upload party. The Restore portal opens at 8 p.m. Eastern, and we're going to put everything back together as a group. Now, the thing is, you only get one time to restore. So you may be asking, well, why is this happening? Here's the short version. Manus is becoming its own independent company again. And as part of that change, it has to delete certain data. And the date that matters is December 29th, 2025. Work made or changed on or after that date can be deleted. For most affected people, the account stays, but the new work is what goes. And that's type A and type B. Type C is the big one, and if you need to hear more about it, then you're going to have to rewind this video. So before we go any further, I need you to know that your in-app notice from Manus has the final word. Not this video, not a Facebook screenshot, and not even what happened to your friend. So make sure you open Manus and read your own notice. I'm Dr. Kim, the AI doctor, and I'm an AI literacy and strategy specialist helping business owners use AI to buy back their time and grow their revenue without buying another tool they'll abandon. I'll see you in the next video.